You eat it?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, it's bitter.
With the Chinese and the Syrian run it down on.
Just when you think you've seen it all, there is yet another interesting fruit found right here in Jamaica. Is this one? The bitter melon, they call it, a family of the Cersei. Very rare in Jamaica. Today I'm with someone, one of the few persons who cultivated, Ms Reid, way up in the hills at Chuku. I'm there with her. I'm gonna learn, get a perspective from her, what it is, how is it grown, where she get it from, how she use it, and that kind of thing. And I'm gonna share that experience with you. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, though, I'm gonna invite you to join us. I'm on a journey to share the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, history, culture, unusual fruits, medicinal herbs, you name it. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated. Normally this video. Let's go to bitter melon. Well, guys, so this is what the tree or the leaves or the vine look like, right? And this, well, actually, before I show it to you, I'm going to show you the boss lady. This is her, Ms Reid. How you doing?
Not too bad.
Wonderful. It's a pleasure to meet you again. I met this lady in town and saw her with this unusual fruit. And I said, listen, man, we have to figure this out. We have to find out where she sell it. Where she plant it and how it looks. So this is it, Ms Reid. I want to get your perspective, Ms Reid. First of all, where did you learn about this fruit?
I have a friend from Clarendon.
Uh-huh.
And can come to Montego Bay and I get a plant.
She's into like herbs and stuff like that, plants and fruits.
Fruits in carrot come and be can sell.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and
you get a plant from it.
Plant and I carry come give me husband and
nice. So the big man there, Mr. Reid, right?
No, Cummings.
Cummings. Oh, your name was Reid before.
Yeah.
And then Cummings.
But you most people know
me as Ms Reid. Oh, so Mrs. Cummings.
Yeah.
All right. Tell me now. So this is the blossom.
Yeah, this is a blossom.
Uh-huh.
This is a sprung.
Sprung.
Yeah. See there?
Uh-huh.
You send out sprung, spread out.
Uh-huh.
Like this, it goes straight.
Just like Cersei.
Just like the Cersei.
Yeah, just like the Cersei.
In fact, the leaves look just like the Cersei.
Yeah.
Maybe just a little bit bigger.
Yeah, big
just
brother.
like this is the bigger brother.
Bigger brother than the Cersei.
Yeah.
In fact, if you don't see the fruit, you figure it's a Cersei. Just looking at it, not true?
Yeah, but remember the nurse Cersei, sweet.
Oh, it's sweet.
And bitter.
Yeah, and this one is the bitter one.
Oh, so literally bitter.
Yeah.
This one bitter.
Yeah.
If you eat the fruit, the other, when you eat the fruit,
the other one.
when you eat the fruit,
we used to eat the other one.
You want to taste it? You can taste it, you know?
Yeah, we're gonna taste it, man. We're gonna cut it. So let's describe. For my viewers, how it looks. So this is it's almost like a baby cucumber, but it's kind of rugged, rough. So it's literally rough, as you can see, guys, and it grows. Some of them, from what I've seen from my little research, some of them grow a little bigger,
and a little
smaller. Yeah. When it's ready, how do you know when it's ready, though?
Yeah, when it's ready, you know it's ready. Cause this don't ready as it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's a little bigger.
Pull that one forward, let me see. Okay, so it's not ready.
No, this one not
ready. Why you know it's not ready?
When it's ready, you know it's big.
Big. So is this one ready?
Yes, this ready. Cause truly it rain upon them.
Uh-huh.
So this one ready.
I notice the color is a little bit.
Yes.
Almost like a little yellowish.
Yeah, truly they get rain upon them and the sun.
So all right.
After ready, so it's gonna get ripe, you know. Yeah, so we generally use it when it's green like that.
Oh, so it get ripe just like the like the other.
Like the other
Cersei.
So generally now we plant but the seed of the ripe one.
Okay. So I know you both you use, you sell it.
Yeah.
You sell it. But do you actually use it here?
Yeah, and I eat it.
You eat it?
Yeah.
Well, it's bitter. I'm going to taste it. But it's bitter than the other Cersei?
The other one sweet, this one is bitter.
Oh, all right, I'm going to taste a little bit of it.
This one is medicine, you know.
Yes, man. Yes, man. In fact, I'm going to share some of the health benefits. I'm going to do some research on it. I did a little bit of research on it. I'm going to share some of the health benefits. And again, guys, this is it. If you're familiar with the Cersei, and we have a video about the Cersei already. All right. So my wife is actually tasting it. Come and share me. Come and share. Come and share. Come and share. So you taste it. So what was it like? Bitter. Terribly bitter.
And that
So you eat it. So
the Chinese and the Syrian run it down. No black people running it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Cause then go find
Cause they
YouTube
find out now about it.
Google
Yes.
it and they see what it good for.
Yes. It's a powerhouse of diabetes. Powerhouse of diabetes, man. I'm gonna share a little bit of that with you.
Right, show you the ripe one.
Okay. All right, great.
I'm gonna show you one of the ripe one.
Oh yes. See there. Come in. Okay.
See ripe one?
Hopefully it don't break. Here, my feet, man. If you can get it a little close.
Yeah, that more carry more
Oh.
on the outside.
The one if you break it.
One next one there, yeah.
Oh yes, the one there. So that one burst. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Oh. Ms Reid, while the husband is trying to pull it down, you know of anybody else in your community or in this side who farm it?
No.
Only
alone.
Oh yeah, but so you know it's a gold mine sitting on now.
No.
So and you I know you sell it. What's the demand like for it now?
Yeah.
You normally sell it off when you bring it down there?
Yeah.
Every time. Oh, hold on,
No
guys.
catch mine, no catch. It don't catch. This don't catch one.
Oh.
We have market for sell this right now.
Oh.
Then they run it down more than
More than normal.
Yeah.
Interesting fruit. So you guys, both of you, this is it, guys. This is what it looks like. The ripe one, and which is open up. So you don't like this now. You don't use this. You don't use this anymore. You just throw this away. You use the green one.
Yeah.
Primarily, and you cook it. You personally cook it.
Cook it.
You cook it.
And put in a coconut water
Uh-huh.
and make it sterile, drink it.
Oh, forget the benefit. All right, the big man. Still I try to get that one. All right. This is a good one. All right. Bring the knife. Bring the knife. Yeah, you have a knife. Okay. All right. So we're gonna slice and dice it and see. So this is a nice ready one. But by the time it ripe, you say you don't really use much of it. But I figure though that when it's ripe, people can maybe use it in juice or something. All right, nice. That's a good one. Let me take a picture. Hold on. Let me check. Yes. Oh, and you see them big too, man. So that is you can plant.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to taste it, you know. I'm going to What?
Taste the green one.
Taste the green one. The ripe one, more bitter?
I don't believe so.
So, how often does it bear from your experience, Miss?
It just bears straight.
Round the clock, like?
Round the clock.
Yeah.
No season, not like
No season.
Summertime.
When it beer and you get it every weekend. You can
Every
go sell.
weekend you can
Every
Every
Friday you
weekend?
can pick
Yeah.
it. Yeah, every Friday.
Nice. So you know,
This Saturday.
I'm gonna mention somebody else many times. I'm gonna show you, how nutritious this thing is, healthy thing is. And then when we finish, you know, you go take some of the seed and plant. Why to get more? Because you go and get a big demand.
You want to plant more,
Yes, bro.
we take up the place.
Oh, it take a lot of
We
space.
want to kill it for years.
We want to move it for years. So.
Oh.
That's why I place looks so, you know.
Yes.
That's why I place looks so.
Yeah. So yes, Ms Reid. So your customers, do you know how they use it?
Okay, first when we just carry go to the market, I never understand it. And the Indian come and the Chinese them come and tell me what is it.
Oh, they were the one me who buy from you.
Okay. And they say, plant more man, plant more, it's very good, it's very good. It's very good, it's good for the blood circulation, sugar, diabetes, I see them diabetes.
Complain.
Every complaint.
Yeah, complain we call it.
If you have a friend say all good for cancer cell and everything. So
it's mostly the Indians who buy from you. The Indians and the Chinese people.
In Montego Bay.
In Mobile. Yeah, I can imagine.
And we have pure color too. Pure black by said we can already don't say good.
Alright. So how you use it personally?
When me use it, I slice it up like cucumber and eat it, and I put it in coconut water and drink it.
Coconut water. Oh, kind of like
jelly water.
Oh, so soak it like
soak okra.
Yes. You don't usually. You personally don't cook with it.
I just slice up on it for that.
You know, okay, but you know people who cook use the cook.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, guys, taste that. Let me taste it. So I'm gonna taste the green one and the ripe one. In fact, let me cut this one first. It's a nice one. Cut it. Yeah. Okay. So this is actually, so it has These are the seeds. I cut a bunch of the seeds in two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 15. Maybe about 30 seeds. At least for this one. You know, about 30 seeds. And this is the green one. This one is fit, so I'm gonna be brave and try to eat this. Eat this one. Eat this one, guys. It's bitter, but it's not so bad. Bitter, man. It's bitter, but it's not as bad as I would think it would have been terribly bitter. It's bitter, you know. It's bitter. It's bitter, but I think if somebody tell me I have to take it for medicine, I would take it. But I would obviously I wouldn't just pick it and eat it like that. Yeah, but this part is a little bit tough, like rubbery. The back part here. This part now is more like cucumber, the middle part. Soft like cucumber. In fact, the middle part, eh?
I'm afraid of it.
Huh? Maybe me do them something too often. The middle part, no bit, really? This part here. Alright, let me try the ripe one now. So here we know. If the green one good, the ripe one good too. So me not do me, not true.
No.
Not do me. So let me try the ripe one. Boy.
Bitter.
It's bitter more, man.
Bitter more.
No, not bitter. This one way more bitter, guys. But I have to do it for you. I can't come and do it. I don't do it. Alright, I give up now. Bitter.
Bitter bad.
But listen, it's extremely healthy. I'm going to share some of the health benefits with you. No, let me do that right now. I did a little bit of research, guys. I'm going to share some of the health benefits of this miracle fruit with you. It's indeed a miracle fruit because it has immense health benefits. Most people use it for diabetes, you know, Ms Reid. It's almost like the antidote for diabetes, you see.
And your blood stream.
Blood circulation, yes. Bitter melon scientifically is known as Mamardica charantia, guys. For those of you into that level of research, you can look for it. It's on the screen. Mordica Mamardica charantia, Charantia. It's a powerful fruit known for its strong flavor. Of course, we know that. And wide array of health benefits. It's rich in nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamin A, and zinc. And it supports general overall health and wellness, including immunity, vision, and reproductive health. Some of the key benefits, and I'm going to mention 4 of them. The main one, Ms Reid. The 4 of them. Number 1 is the one that I think you know about, the diabetes. Diabetes. That's the main thing most people know it for. It actually has a rare compound called polypeptide P, which acts like insulin, helping to manage blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. That's how it works with it. Right? And this is science now, guys. For those of you who are watching, this is the science aspect of it. So Ms Reid and I were talking about the traditional use and how people use it locally. But what I'm sharing with you now is stuff that I've researched from medical journals and scholarly articles online. I've pulled this information to share with you. It actually has polypeptide P, as I said, that acts like insulin, which helps manage blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. And number 2, cholesterol. They did some lab studies, Ms Reid, and it showed that it helped lower unhealthy cholesterol levels. Right. Okay. So cholesterol people, you need to check out the bitter melon. But by the way, it has some other names. What other name does you know it as?
Okay, then call it as bitter gall and Carola.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Locally. Well, actually, let me ask you guys. So you know it. You've seen it. If you know it, I want to know what you know it as. If you know it. If you haven't seen it, I want you to tell me yes or no. If you have seen it, if you knew of it before, just tell me in the comments yes or no. And if you know it, Tell me what you know it as. Just put it in the comments right now. Number 3, cancer prevention. You mentioned that too.
Yeah.
Yes, man. People meant it actually, again, it is scientifically proven that it has a high, what they call beta carotene content that acts as an antioxidant, which help protect cells from damage. And studies suggest it may extract and may be effective in treating various types of cancer. So this and a normal fruit you have in your hand. And number 4, iron deficiency prevention. Its iron-rich content helps combat anemia, which supports healthy red blood cells. So another powerhouse here, guys. A lot of health benefits. What have you always say? Before using this or any other medication, in fact, any other herbal medication, we encourage you to check with your healthcare provider to make sure you're good to go. All right? And I'm going to invite you. There are a couple links we have in the description. I'm going to invite you to check them out because we have a lot more information about this. And this rare find here, the bitter melon here, found here in Jamaica. Tell me now, if you use it, how you use it. Again, I want to hear how you use it, if you use it. I want to hear from you. Put it in the comment right now. Back over to Ms Reid. She's the only person I know who sells. You see anybody sell it?
Not in here.
Not in these parts. You're the only one. If people want to get bitter melon from you, I know it's limited now, but I'm hoping, I'm declaring that by the time people see this video, you have a whole lot more bitter melon. Because I know you don't have hand to sell it. And we encourage your husband to scatter it all over the place. Right? Scatter it all over the place. But if people want to reach out to you, for whatever reason, you know, whether they want a plant to buy, you want to sell them a plant of it or the seed or whatever it is there a number they can reach you, Ms Reid?
285 4353.
Okay, 876. 876.
876.
Okay.
285 4353.
Okay, awesome. And of course, in the market, if you need to get a hold of you.
Right top side, Yummy Bakery.
Yummy. Yes, that's where they can find him. Bitter melon, guys, with Ms Reid. I want you to give her a thumbs up as she goes. Thank Ms Reid. Thank you. I want to big up Ms Reid again for a rare find. Thank her so much. We find the bitter melon. Thanks to Ms Reid. One of the few persons growing bitter melon. No, not Cersei. Another family of Cersei. Bitter melon. Bad diabetes. Diabetes gone with bitter melon, man. Make sure you use it up. Thank you, Ms Reid.
Thank you.
The bitter melon, guys, with Ms Reid and its astounding health benefits. Of course, you know I'm going to ask you. I want to hear from you. What do you think about this? Drop it in the comments. Drop it in the comments right now. There is actually another video you need to see, and that's this, the cousin of the bitter melon, which is the Cersei. Yes, man, we did a video on that. You need to see. There's a link in the description, and it's in the card above. See you in that one.